Guys, welcome back to another holiday makeup tutorial. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. For today's look, we are working with the greens. So if you're curious to see how we achieve this look, keep watching. I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with an eyeshadow primer. This one is Moira Waterproof Peptide Eyeshadow Primer. Grabbing my Rude Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This one's the City of Neon Lights. Grabbing also a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'll be using 500 Days of Glamour, this color right here. And then just apply it all over my crease. Now for the next color, I grabbed another clean eyeshadow brush. I'll be using the same palette, this color right here. This one is A Bride's Tale. Grabbing a flat eyeshadow brush, I'll be applying Fantastic Mr. Glam. Yeah, Fantastic Mr. Glam, that color right here. And just go on the center of the lid. For the next color, I'll be applying Neon Land. So this color right here, with another clean eyeshadow brush. This one's much smaller, so then I can get more in the inner corner of my eye. I'll also be applying a Beat to Remember with the same brush, just to kind of, brighten it up a little bit. I went ahead and created a wing off camera. I used the NYX Epic Ink Liner in the color Black. Now I'll just be applying mascara using Tower 28's. This one is called Make Waves Mascara, and it's in the color Jet. I'll be moving on with the face now. I'll be using Glow Recipes face serum. This one's the Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. I'll be starting with concealer before foundation, just because I want to clean up this area. Instead of like a makeup wipe, I'm just gonna use some concealer and just make that wing and that area just more sharp. I'll just be applying a little bit, like literally like that. On both sides, just a little bit. And then with another brush, I'm just going to just dab it in a little bit and then just drag it all the way up and down. And it should look just like that. And any concealer works for this step. It's just to clean up the area. Going in with foundation now, I'm using Versed foundation, or this is a skin tint multi-serum. This one's in the shade 2N. I think the name is Multi-Serum Skin Tint, and it has SPF 40. For concealer, I'll be using CoverGirl's True Blend Undercover Concealer. This one's in the shade Light Ivory. I'll be also using a contour stick. This is the Sephora Collection contour stick. This one is in the shade Light to Medium. I'll be setting my face with some loose setting powder. This one's the L'Oreal Infallible Blurfection. This one's in the shade Light Pink, or Pink Light. For blush, I'll be using Sephora's Collection Colorful Blush. This one's in the shade Flirt It Up. For highlighter, I'll be using Rare Beauty's highlighter. This one's in the shade Enlighten. Now going back with the eyes with a clean brush, I will be applying 500 Days of Glamour on my lower lash line. I'll be applying mascara on my lower lash line as well as working on my brows. I will be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. This one's in the shade number 4. For lip, I'll be using the NYX lip liner. This one's the matte lip liner in the shade Los Angeles, and Maybelline. This one is their matte lipstick in the shade More Stone. And I'll be setting my face with the Makeup by Mario setting spray. And we officially made it to the end with the final look. I was feeling the greens today, so wanted to do something bold and fun. I did do another green holiday look, but this one was pretty much a little bit different than the other one. The greens were just calling my name today, so I felt a little inspired. I just wanted to add some green to my eyes, you know? But anyways, thank you guys so much for sticking around with me till the end, watching me put this look together. Let's see what other looks we can come up with on the next video, and I'll see you guys then. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and see you later.